Okay, so we've got a number problem here, all right? And the important thing is that you have a strategy, okay? And that you take your time and break down the problem, okay? And step by step, we'll get there, okay? So let's start off with this here, lowest common multiple of 12 and 15. Well, let's just start writing the multiples, right? Because that's what the M stands for, yeah? The multiples of 12 and 15. In other words, the times tables. Multiples, yeah, the times tables of 12. 15. So the 12 times tables are, well, 12, isn't it? 1 times 12, 2 times 12, 24, 3 times 12, 4 times 12. You could keep going, right? 5 times 12, and so on. Okay, you can keep going. The same then with 15. 15, 2 times 15 is 30, 3 15 is 45, 4 times 15 is 60. And you know what? I can stop there, right? I don't need to keep going. In some questions, I might need to keep going. But in this case, I can stop because if you notice, there's a common multiple here. Yeah, 60 is in the 15 times table list. It's also in the 12 times table list. Okay, so it's common to both times tables. So that means it's a common multiple. Okay, and it's the lowest one. Yeah, obviously, if I kept going, there'd be more. Okay, there'd be more as I go down. But we want the lowest one. So the lowest common multiple here is equal to 60. Okay. Well, then we've got to look at the highest common factor then of 18 and 24. Now, for that, again, we're going to list factors, okay? And the best way to list factors is to look at pairs. Okay, so factor pairs of 18. Well, think of pairs. We start off with 1. 1 goes into 18 18 times. So what do I times by 1 to get 18? Obviously 18. 2 goes into 18. 9 times, yeah, okay. 3 goes into 18 6 times. 4 doesn't, 5 doesn't, 6 does. We've got them all there, okay. Let's do 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, 5 doesn't go into 24, 6 does. Okay, there's my factor pairs. Now let's look at the highest common factor, and we can see here clearly that 6 is the highest common factor, yeah? Okay, 6 common to both, and it's the highest one that's common to both, right? There's other factors, obviously 1, 2, 3, okay, that are common, but 6 is the highest one. So we've got the highest common factor is equal to 6. What are they asking us to do? They're asking us to multiply them. So 60 times 6, easy peasy, because you do 6 times 6 is 36 and add the 0. Okay, so 360.